Today we are going to unbox Acer Predator Helios 300 with Core i7 10th generation, 16 GB of RAM and 6 GB of graphics. My name is Suraj and आप देख रहे हैं Alcocky Films. Please like this video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to watch Alcocky Films. This laptop is basically for those people who wants to do gaming, who wants to do video editing, or who wants to do their daily tasks. So this laptop is equipped with 15.6 inches of IPS display. So this is the gaming laptop from Acer. Comes clad in a metal body that is the style. And if you talk about the gaming performance, it is equipped with 6 GB of Nvidia GeForce RTX 2060 so that you can enjoy enhanced and seamless gaming experience. Talking about the CPU performance, it comes equipped with the 10th generation Intel Core i7 10750H processor with 16 gigs of GB RAM, which can be expanded up to 32 GB so that you can multitask with ease. And it also comes with refresh rate of the display is 144 Hz and an overdrive response of 3 milliseconds, so that the visual experience of your game is lag-free, fluid and seamless. The HDMI 2.0 port and DisplayPort 1.4 allows you to connect two more displays with this laptop so that you can have 3 displays to enhance your gaming experience and widen your play area. This laptop is equipped with 256 GB of SSD, which uses NVMe technology in the RAID 0 configuration so that games load in a jiffy. And it is also equipped with 1-year international traveler warranty. The weight of this laptop is 2.5 kg. and dimension is 36.3 centimeter, 25.5 centimeter, 2.9 centimeter thick. It is also equipped with Kensington lock slot so that you can lock your laptop with a table or anything. It is also equipped with TPM security chip, which is the hardware, so that your laptop is fully secured. It has 1x mini display port and one HDMI port. Now the sound of this laptop is DTS X Ultra Audio, featuring optimized bass, loudness, speaker protection with up to 6 custom content modes by Smart Amplifier. Acer True Harmony technology for lower distortion, wider frequency range, headphone-like audio and powerful sound, immersive audio rendering over headphones and internal speakers. Acer Purified Voice technology. It also has killer wireless LAN IEEE 802.11, which is Wi-Fi 6 version. Bluetooth is 5 version. And it comes with killer Ethernet E2600 chip, which supports up to 1 GB of data transfer. It has killer control center. So basically if you are get frustrated when you lose a game because of the latency, so this has the solution for you, because it has the killer double shot pro. It is a solution for your internet troubles. Basically it is a chip inside which manages your internet. So it has killer chip. It has a bespoke keyboard. The keyboard of this gaming laptop from Acer is customized with the Predator typeface and 2 integral keys, namely Predator Sense and Turbo. It has fine tip RGB backlit keyboard with independent standard numeric keypad. Let's talk about the cooling of this laptop. This laptop is equipped with the 4th generation Aeroblade 3D technology, which is latest in 2020, which ensures that your system effectively cooled so that you can game on without facing any hassles. On the top of that, the concave shaped keys are see-through to make WASD easier for you.
Now let's see what's new from Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select accept. Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Fin. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission? These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select accept when you're ready.
Touchpad of this device also supports multi-touch gestures and it is really very smooth. You can pinch zoom out. You can scroll using 2 fingers upside down.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Included software of this laptop is Predator Sense, Acer product registration, Acer Care Center and Acer Collection. It is also equipped with HD 720p webcam with super high dynamic range imaging (SHDR). It uses the Killer Control Center to handle your web issues so that your gaming experience remains seamless. Let's talk about the audio. So audio from the, I think, headphone jack. It enhances your aural experience with the Waves Max audio. On the top of that, Waves NX ensures that you receive an immersive 3D audio experience that you can lose yourself in excitement of your game. So its display is basically TFT LCD display, which is 16:9 aspect ratio, 144 Hz refresh rate, 72% NTSC and 300 nits brightness. And it comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 operating system. The dedicated memory of graphic card is GDDR6 6GB of graphics. It also has 1 TB of HDD, which is hard disk. The clock speed of the processor is 2.6 GHz with turbo boost up to 5 GHz. And it is Intel Core i7 10th generation, amazing. It has expandable memory slots also. 16 gigabytes is already loaded in one slot, and you have second slot as a free, so that you can upgrade your RAM up to 32 GB. The RPM speed of HDD is 7200. It has two USB slot 3.2, one first generation, USB slot of 3.2 second generation with power off charging. One is USB 3.2 Type C for your hassle-free charging experience. Please like this video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to watch Alcocky films.